All of the little things count when it comes to video editing. The color, effects, and audio are no exceptions. In this clip for a go-karting video, I have one of the drivers dancing in front of the camera. The clip was shot indoors with very little light. In Final Cut Pro 10, the Color Board's Exposure tab makes this an easy fix. By dragging the global slider located on the left up, I'm brightening the entire image. This usually creates a washed out look with little contrast. To fix this, adjust the other three sliders labeled shadows, midtones, and highlights. With these controls, instead of brightening or darkening the entire image, only the specific area is changed. For example, dragging the highlight slider up is going to make the lighter areas of the image brighter. If I drag the highlight slider down, then the bright areas become darker. There is a lot of overlap, and it takes some time to get used to these controls, but a few adjustments can really improve the look of your video. To have a little bit of fun, a replay effect is going to be added to this clip. I don't want to replay the entire clip, so I'm going to push the B key on the keyboard to activate the razor blade. Skim across the clip to find the moment where the replay will be added, and click. Now the clip has been cut in two. Click on the part of the clip that will be replayed to select it. Click on the Retime menu. There are a few different options. Selecting Instant Replay is a good option if you want the clip to replay twice. But I want a rewinding effect and then the replay to happen. Under Rewind, I'll choose 4x, and this creates the effect. While watching a live sporting event, you may have noticed a title on the screen to let you know when you are watching a replay versus a live play. To add the instant replay title, click on the title browser and find the correct title. Drag the title to the part of the clip that is the replay. Using the edges of the purple title clip, adjust the title to the desired length. Adding a few sound effects can greatly enhance the feel of your video. There are many different ways to get sound effects, from recording them yourself to creating them electronically. A lot of time can be wasted creating and fixing sound effects. Having a library of effects at your disposal makes this task much easier. If you're looking to record your own audio, BeatSuite.com does offer studios to do this, but they also offer libraries of pre-recorded music and sound effects. After downloading the Media Edit Sound Pack Pro from their website, I'm presented with multiple folders that contain the over 1,000 sound effects. They are grouped into categories that make sense. While the clip is rewinding right before the replay, a sound effect can be added. There is a folder dedicated to this type of rewinding sound. With the sound selected, push the space bar to preview the sound with Quick Look. Then, using the arrow keys, I can quickly jump through the different sounds until I find one I want to use. Spinback 09 sounds good. I'll just drag the sound from the Finder to our timeline and the sound effect is added. Right now, the sound effect is shorter than the rewind portion of the video. Drag the handle to the right of the blue reverse section to speed up the reverse until it matches the sound effect. We can repeat these same steps to add a little swish sound when the title slides onto screen. Back in the Finder, you'll notice there are two categories for whooshes. For this title, we just need a simple sound. Pressing the spacebar to quick look the sounds, I can jump through a few of them to find the one I want, and then drag it into Final Cut. With a very quick sound effect like this one, the difference of a few frames is very important. Use the period and comma keys on the keyboard to nudge the sound effect by 1 frame at a time. Continue replaying and nudging the sound effect until it's in place. Using the J, K, and L keys on the keyboard, you can quickly rewind and play the video without needing the mouse. J rewinds, K pauses, and L can be used to play the clip. I'll then bring in a third sound effect for when the title leaves the screen. The whoosh sound can be dragged onto the timeline and adjusted. Playing back the clip as it was originally, compared to after these few adjustments, we can see a major change. Practice to get used to how these tools work, and if you need audio, check out beatsuite.com. Email your questions to finalcutprohelp@me.com.